Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today we are going to discuss and explain what is kilowatt, what is KVA, what is different between the kilowatt and KVA, what is horsepower, and how to calculate this all and how to understand actually what is this. Okay, how to divide the load and kilowatt and kVA and amperes, how to understand this all basic SI units. Okay, today we are covering this all in this videos. Okay, before starting the video, I have small request to all of you. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. Okay, thank you. First of all, starting from the watt. What is mean by watt? Watt is the SI unit. What is SI? SI mean Standard International. This unit is standard for in the world in all countries. Okay. What is out from power? This is the unit of watt. No, we are going to understand kilowatts. Kilowatts. Kilo means 1000. Watts mean watt. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Okay. And KVA. K means again kilo. VA means volt. A means ampere. What is the difference between kilowatt and KVA? Okay. Now let's we understand this. Difference between kilowatt and KVA. Okay. Or 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt active power, which is mean power power, which is mean actual power. And KVA means volts ampere. What is the mean of volt amperes? K means kilo and VA means volt ampere. What is mean of volt amperes? Now you understand the kilowatts. Okay, active power. actual power. Okay. For example, we have 1 kVA generator. One kVA generator. Okay. That's mean we have 1 kilovolt amps. Okay. What is the mean of this? The mean of this kVA. For example, this is your glass. When you fill some the drinks, carbonated drinks, here is original drinks, and here is a little bit air in bubbles, and here is a foam, soupy foam. Okay, that's mean kilowatt. Okay, and that's mean kVA, and the soupy foam that means KVAR. Okay, 1 kVA generator is actually 800 watt. Okay, difference between kilowatt and kVA is this. That's not completely pure power. Okay, this is the only peak power. When we put the load on 1 kVA generator, let's depend on power factor. 0.8, 0.7, 0.9. The calculation of kVA in kilowatts depends on power factor. Okay, it's not completely the actual power. Okay, that's only kilovolt amperes. Now we move to the horsepower. Difference between kilowatt and horsepower. One horsepower is equal 746 watt. 746 watt. 1 HP is equal to 746 watt. And 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. That's mean a kilowatt is bigger than HP. How much difference? The difference between is 254 watts kilowatt is greater than horsepower. Okay, not too much difference between of them. This is the unit of power, and this is the unit of power. If you have a single phase HP 3 HP motor, for example 3 HP motor, how much this motor in kilowatt, how to calculate? First of all, you know 1 HP is equal to 740 watt. You multiply this with 3, 740 and 740, 746. 18, 1 is going to up, 12, 13, 3, 1 is going to up, 21, 22. That's mean we have load 2.238 kilowatt. Okay, this is your 3 HP to kilowatt. Okay, when you have 10 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt of motor, how much this is in HP? Simply 5 multiplied by 1000, this is 5000. Okay, 5000 multiplied by 746. Calculate this, which is the divided on this, you getting the answer and the HP. Okay, this is the difference between of kilowatt and horsepower. Okay, this is the today topic. I hope you understand gratefully. If you have any doubt, any question, please write comment below in the comment section. I make you another best videos for you. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time and goodbye.